Until now we've had visibility at the gate, power coming in the building. We didn't know where it was consumed. I mean, I could look at things visually like lights outside and say, yep, turn the lights off, but really lighting in our business is a very small percentage of it. Our true cost is our production cost for energy, whether it's for cooling, air or running the machines. We're looking primarily where the energy was being consumed, but also where we had leakage, in other words, where things were run at the wrong temperatures. It gave us a chance to then look at cause and effect on plant running conditions. You know, once you've got a good data set, you can see through the plant and say, well, that shouldn't be happening because our previous period, similar production levels, we didn't have that. So there's obviously a difference, and it makes us focus on what that issue is. I jumped at it because I could see the connection between our business and our energy footprint, because it correlates primarily. You know, if we're busy, we use more energy. But what it's allowed us to do now is actually use that energy efficiently and in a way that it actually gives us a better outcome productivity-wise. I think like anything, you want to have information in a business. You want to know where your costs are. You want to have some control of the machine process in particular. It then gave us visibility that we didn't expect. That was probably the real benefit.